New from Me and My Big Ideas is the Happy Planner by Teresa Collins. Let's take a look at what's inside. With the Happy Planner, you'll see all the items that come with your new planner to keep you organized. A really cute rub-on with some wonderful sayings. And this is the main focus. Stay focused and extra sparkly, which is a totally Teresa thing to say. Lots of pages, a lot of bullet point journaling on one side, and then more specific journaling on the other side. 3 really pretty washi tapes with some fun sayings on them. A really nice pouch to keep all of your pens and washi tapes organized. An envelope that attaches to the rings so you can keep some stickers safe and sound. Some really fun puffy stickers. A whole stack of additional stickers. Lots of design and lots of foiling, which totally makes you think of Teresa Collins. A daily Get It Done sheet and some larger todays for organizing. And as a bonus, this really cute mug. These are all in the Me and My Big Ideas Happy Planner from Teresa Collins.